Hey there. Have you ever felt that sinking feeling when you lose important files? Today, I'm excited to share 3 essential data backup solutions to help you avoid that heartache. In our digital age, data loss can happen in an instant, whether it's due to hardware failure, accidental deletion, or even a cyber attack. That's why having a reliable backup solution is crucial for everyone. Protecting your files isn't just smart, it's absolutely necessary. 1. First up, let's discuss external hard drives. These handy devices allow you to back up your files offline. Simply plug one into your computer, drag and drop your important files, and you're good to go. They're also portable, so you can take your data wherever you need. Just remember to store it safely. 2. Next is cloud storage. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive let you store your files online, making them accessible from any device with internet. It's a fantastic way to share files with friends or family without the hassle of email attachments. Plus, many of these services offer free storage options, but be sure to check your privacy settings to keep your data secure. 3. Finally, consider using automated backup software. Programs like Acronis or Backblaze can automatically back up your files at scheduled times, like once a week or even daily. Just set it and forget it. You won't have to worry about remembering to back things up manually. While the initial setup might take a bit of time, it's definitely worth it for your peace of mind. Choose one that meets your storage needs and start transferring your files today. Create an account and start uploading your files. Look for one that fits your budget and needs, install it, and set up your first backup. Be cautious not to rely on just one backup method. It's wise to have multiple backups in different locations. Also, remember to regularly check your backups to ensure everything is functioning properly. You definitely don't want to discover too late that your files aren't actually there. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to protect your files from loss. Don't wait for a disaster to strike, take action today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's work together to keep our data safe. Hey, race the improved version of the script chunk backups up to date. Also, don't rely on just one solution. Diversifying your backups ensures maximum safety. So there you have it. 3 practical data backup solutions.